what makes you powerful. You are powerful because you are a hard worker. Your work ethic is unmatched. I also feel for some of you that you may have come from a background whereby you didn't get a lot of support. So I'm picking up that you are self-made. You worked your way up to the top. Some of you could be bosses, some of you could be CEOs, some of you could be managers, some of you could own your own business. However, even if you are not of the above that I just mentioned, you are still a force to be reckoned with. You could be a great provider for your family. I'm also picking up that some of you are fathers, or some of you are feminines, and you are in your masculine energy in regards to going after what you want. You could have some status, is what I'm picking up. There is an air of authority about you, but the thing about you is, I feel like you do not use your power for the bad. You actually use your power and influence for the good. You are a great leader, and because of this, you show people how to lead effectively in their own lives. I feel like you are very jovial. You are otherworldly. You are magical. You have a lot of energy. There's a lot of intensity to you, is what I'm picking up. You could speak many different languages. You can fit into any group. People like you. People gravitate towards you. You are very charismatic. You may belong to different groups, clubs, organizations, or you could have many friends. You are a loner, but a loner by choice. And I feel like there's something unique, something eccentric about you. You march to the beat of your own drum. This is what makes you powerful. People look up to you. And I feel like you've been through many different transformations, and those transformations were not easy. But because you walked through this new cycle, or you are, for some of you, walking through this new cycle, you are showing others and to yourself that you are ready for change. And again, I'm picking up that whatever you went through, it was not easy, or you could be going through it in the now. And you know that the only way that there can be change in your life is to create that change. No one else is going to do it for you. So this is one of the reasons why you're very powerful. You're very hypnotic. You're very intense. And I'm also picking up an energy of money. So I feel like, again, some of you may have come from money. And if you have come from money, you may have invested your money into properties. For others of you, I feel like you may not have come from money. So you are self-made. You are the type of person to, not flaunt the money that you've got to make other people feel bad about yourself. So some of you could be quite secretive about how much you are worth, and some of you are worth a lot, but you like to connect with people on a human level. You don't just connect with people because they come from a specific background or because they are rich. You have detached away from being materialistic, and this is what makes you very powerful. Again, this could be in regards to you transforming. I feel for some of you, what makes you powerful is that you could be very physically strong, is what I'm picking up. And if you are a masculine, I'm talking to you could be very broad, you could be very tall, but you have a lot of stamina, is what I'm picking up. Some of you could be into plumbing. Some of you do stuff with your hands. You could be good with fixing things around the home, and this is what makes you powerful, right? So if something breaks down in your home, then you can fix it, whether you are a masculine or a feminine. I also feel as if what makes you powerful is that you could look after your mother, for some of you. And I also feel that some of you are actual mothers. And if you are a mother, you are a fantastic mother. And I feel as if you take parenting very seriously, and you are a mother to all, not just with your children. Even if you haven't got children, a lot of people find you to be very nurturing, considerate, compassionate, empathetic. What makes you powerful is that you are very strong, and you do actually value yourself. And because you value yourself, you actually value others as well. You make great investments into yourself. So for some of you, you could invest in your health. You invest in your well-being, your home, is what I'm picking up, your children, your partner, your spouse. Please take what resonates, and this is what makes you powerful. You're not selfish. And I feel as if what makes you powerful is that you march to the beat of your own drum, as mentioned before, but there's something distinct and different about you. So again, you may have grown up in an environment, or with a family that were very traditional. And I feel like you have broken free, or you are about to break free. You are on the cusp of something anyway, but you could be breaking free from those traditional values. I feel like you could be questioning like your upbringing, or questioning people's behavior that are around you, because I'm hearing you are a non-conformist. So what makes you powerful is that you do not follow what other people are doing. So for instance, if you like someone, if you want to do a course, if you want to do a job, or whatever the case is, and you may have come from a family whereby you're not allowed to date certain people, you shouldn't work in a specific job because it doesn't look good, or whatever the case is, you don't really care. You date who you want to date as long as it's not hurting you or anyone else, right? So you're the type of person that will date outside of your race. You are the type of person that will, stay single even though your family are trying to force you to marry. You are the type of person to marry even though your family have told you that's not the right person to marry because they haven't got money. How are they going to look after you? You don't care about what a person has. You just more care about what moves your soul, what makes you happy. If the person has a good heart, have they got the same morals? Are you both in alignment? So this to me is indicating that you are on your spiritual journey, or for some of you, you have been on the spiritual journey. You are very spiritual. I feel like you rank highly spiritually, whether you are aware of that or not. Every time I see the hyphen, I get that. So your guides, angels, whoever you believe in, really place you in, high esteem. I feel as if you are somebody that has got a very spiritual element to you, and this is one of the reasons why people gravitate towards you. It's almost as if people feel as if you can heal them. People may also feel like you will solve their problems. It may be a little bit overbearing sometimes though, because you may feel like, why is everyone staring at me? Why is everyone coming towards me? Because there's something different about you, different in a good way, different in a way whereby people just know. They may not say, oh, that person's spiritual, but it's like whatever environment you are in, you don't belong there, because you definitely stand out. You stand out because there's something otherworldly. That's the only word I can find right now about you. So people do feel like being in your presence is an actual privilege, is what I'm picking up. What makes you powerful is that you are independent. You still retain that youthful, childlike essence, and you could be an adventurer. And what makes you powerful is that for some of you, I'm picking up that if you were into designer clothes, etc., in the past, there's nothing wrong with that, right? You have detached from that, or you are detaching from, feeling as if to wear designer clothes will make you more accepting or to make you more attractive. Like, you don't place value in material things, and because of this, you do not place value in other people if they've got material things or not. What makes you powerful again is that you are a great communicator and you are a great leader, but your leadership qualities are very distinct. They're very original. So you are original. You are the type of person to produce a work of art which hasn't been done before, especially from like the groups or the clubs that you belong to, or like your family. Like, there's something about you, there's a talent that you have. And some of you are not aware of this, because look at the horse's eyes, it's closed. That some of you are just being who you are, but people are in awe of your gifts. Your gifts are they have never been seen before, but because you have come onto the scene, you are leading by example. You are showing people that they don't have to follow everyone else, because you could have been in environments whereby everyone's copying everyone's trying to do the same thing, etc. But you just being you is making people step into their true authenticity. You're amazing. What makes you powerful is that you're not afraid to love. Some of you have been hurt in love. Some of you have gone through the most traumatic experiences in love, but it has not hardened your heart, and you still believe in love. What makes you powerful is that you do not allow your past to harden your heart. And what makes you powerful is that you know when to walk away from people, places, or things that no longer serve you, especially if it disturbs your peace.